Hey guys, this is Omkar Gupta over here, and today in this video I am going to show you how to clean your chain with the help of diesel and lube it also. I own a Pulsar AS200 and I have bought many of the things in the bags which were been required to clean the chain. So let's get started. As you can see over here, the chain is full of dirt and dust. Yes, I know the videos, and you can hear sound after the chain when I have been moving the tire of this bike. Here are the list of the things that are going to be required for cleaning the chain. First of all, I have got the two toothbrushes for exfoliating the chain. These are the old used toothbrushes, so that doesn't matter much. It is a diesel over here, the chain loop, the water, and a screwdriver. And I am also going to open the front chain cover over here. So we require a 8 mm hexagonal opener, or we can say a sprocket opener. I don't know the exact words what it is said in technically, so I will show you how to open it, and thereafter we will clean the chain. I have taken an old cloth over here to show you the how dirty the chain is. I will take a clean part of it. See, the part looks now clean. Now I will just touch the chain once with the cloth by applying little pressure, and you can see the spots on the cloth. How dirty, or we can say how greasy the chain has become due to the Indian weathery conditions. Now I will open the front sprocket cover, or we can say the chain protection cover. For this I have taken a 8 mm hexagonal nut. It's very simple to open. Rotate in an anti-clockwise direction to open this. See. Before changing the chain, always remember that you should drive at least for 4 to 5 kilometers so that all the sediments of the chain gets heated up, and they will be easier. It will be easy to remove them. Take care of these screws carefully so that it do not get lost. I have loosened it completely. Now you can see that the chain cover is not so much dirty, but it's still dirty, we can say. And from seeing the front sprocket portion, we can see that there's a lot of dirt in this portion. Okay, now I will spray some amount of diesel so that all the dirt can get loosened up. I have got this a barber spray, or we can say that it's generally used by barbers for spraying the water. I have been using this since quite a while for spraying the diesel on my chain, and it's very helpful and easily available. I've Okay, now I will start the procedure. First I will spray directly the diesel on the chain. Now I will spray it on the front sprocket area so that all the dirt from here also can get removed easily. Now going towards the rear. clean this area also. It is also a dirt magnet. In this area especially gets lot of dirt collected over here. You can also see the sediments of the dirt here. After spraying this, I will let it rest for 15 minutes or while. Thereafter, I will clean it or exfoliate it. So that okay, now I will exfoliate the chain with the brush. There are some of the background noises. We cannot do anything for that. After cleaning a side thoroughly, apply diesel to your brush also, because it will make it wet continuously and you can use it for cleaning. Do not carry out this procedure of cleaning the chain while your vehicle is on or in a running condition, because I have lost my thumb due to this. So be careful, always be on the safe side. Possible. I have cleaned the chain with the help of the brush. Now I will just wipe the chain once with this dirty cloth, and you can see the difference from earlier. See how dirty the cloth has become now. I will cover all the parts correctly. I generally do chain cleaning in 2 rounds. In first round I have done the whole chain cleaning. Now in second round I am going to exfoliate both the sprockets, front and the rear one. Now I am going to clean the front sprocket area. The bottle has fallen down. Please do not comment it in the comment section. I know that. Now I am going to just take a screwdriver and clean the whole section. You can see what are the different types of sediments which were there.
Chart.
Now I am going to clean the rear sprocket area. As you can see, there are a lot of depositions of dirt over here. This can be done manually. There is no requirement of any special kind of spray for this. It's better that you use a local diesel from petrol pump. They are providing around of 20 to 30 rupees of diesel for once, and it can last you for 4 to 5 washes. Clean this portion also. Now cleaning the nuts. As you can see over here, there is a green color notation on the chain, which is very helpful while cleaning the chain. So we can know that which of the part we have cleaned or not. Now earlier we were unable to see this part. Now we are able to see. Now I am going to show you how to deep clean the front sprocket area. I will just place a screwdriver over here and just rotate it. See. Now just rotate in another direction. You can look how tiny the dirt particles are sedimented over there. Now I have completed both of the steps and cleaned the chain fully. As you can see that there are no signs of dirt which can be finded. And in the rear sprocket portion also we can see the letters. See, we are able to see the letters over here which have been now cleaned, which were covered in the dirt. Now as we have completely cleaned the chain, now I am going to fit the front sprocket cover back to its position. It's very simple. As just place the screws on the right position and as we did in clockwise direction. Now tight one by one alternatively in clockwise direction. Now as the whole procedure of cleaning is done, now the procedure of lubing begins. It is a lube. I am not going to show you the brand which I am using, but I have not got any kind of sponsorship from them. So why to use that? Just spray on directly on the chain from the back side. Now from the front side. I think that I have sprayed in very currently in a very good amount.
Play.
There is no need of excessively spraying the lube on the chain. I think for today we are done over here. Now after the chain spraying is done, now I am going to quickly crank the engine and move my bike towards the first gear. As I move my bike on the first gear, the wheel of the bike starts rotating it automatically and all the lube will get settled. Leave it for 5 minutes and you are ready to go. I hope you like the video. And in this video I am also going to record my exhaust note of my bike. Thanks for watching.